Make your presentations stand out with this simple Canva animation. Let's learn how to do it. At first, create a blank canvas. Now go to Elements and search for half circle frame. Select this frame and make 4 duplicates and align all the frames in a way that creates a circle like this. After that, take 4 images and place one in each frame. Next, we have to make sure each image's land side faces the round corner and sky faces the straight corner of the frames. Now select all the frames and make them a group. Then take the frames to the upper left corner and arrange them as shown. Now it's time to add some text. Now if you want, you can animate your text too. Now duplicate this page 4 times to show all the images in 4 slides. Now simply rotate the frames group like this to show the second image. Then change the color and text for the second image. Do the same thing for the rest of the pages. At last, we have to add transition between all pages. To apply transition, take the mouse cursor here and click on this button. Then select match and move and set the duration to 1. Then click on apply between all pages. So now everything is done. Let's see what we have created. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.